Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Excel 4G recreation. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start today's assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment Excel 4G recreation. Here is a project description. In the following project, here is a Excel workbook I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Project description is: in the following project, you will assist James Davis, the recreation director, in creating and modifying a pivot table report and a pivot chart report. Here is the project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: open the Excel workbook student Excel 4G recreation. Downloaded this project, and basically in this question you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Add the month field to the filters area, add the center field to the rows area and the program field to the columns area. Place the amount field in the values area and then close the pivot table fields list. Note: make users move field as necessary so that they are placed in the correct areas of the layout section. In this question, basically you will have to insert a recommended pivot tables. Move to the workbook and cell A2. Select the cells and go to the insert tab, recommended pivot tables, then choose pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Add month field to the filter area and add the center field. Drag this field to the filter area. The rows center field drag to the rows, and program field to the column area. Program field to the column area. Drag this and drop into the column areas and values, and then close the pivot table field. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is: format the values in the pivot table using the number category to display the 0 decimal places. With first we select the range and then go to this pivot table field and use the 1000 separator. Number format with the 0 decimal places and choose this 1000 separator. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is insert slicers for the program and center field and then filter by the Bard Hall Senior Center and Ceramic and Watercolor Revenue. Move the program slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with the upper left corner of E3. Move the center slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with H3 and make a copy of this worksheet and then name the copied worksheet Bard Hall. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a slicers of different categories. First, we insert the slicer for the program and center field, and then filter by the Bard Hall Senior Center and Ceramic and Watercolor Revenue. First, we select this pivot table, then go to the Insert tab, then add slicer for program and center. Check program and center, then press OK. The two slicers are inserted. And ceramic watercolor revenue, and then filter by the Bard Hall Senior Center and ceramic and watercolor revenue. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training. For a complete course, I will give you A plus grades in all your assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. Then move to the workbook. Select this label, ceramic and watercolor. In this, you will have to select only ceramic and watercolor. There are three filters: Bard Hall Senior Center, ceramic and watercolor. And then move the program slicer so its upper left corner align with the upper left corner. Move this and upper left corner to this E3, and then drag this and set this slicer also. And at the end, make a copy of this worksheet and then name the copied worksheet to Bard Hall. Copy this text bird hall. Move to the workbook, then copy this sheet, make a copy of this sheet, right click on this and create a copy, and then rename this to bird hall, sorry, single bird hall. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is display sheet 1 and clear the filter from the slicer and remove the filters from the worksheet. Rename the sheet to 3Q revenue. First you will have to remove the filters. Clear the filters from the slicer. First you will have to clear the filters from slicer. Clear the filters from slicer. Clear this filter. Clear this filter and rename the sheet to 3Q revenue. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. First you will have to copy this name and rename the sheet, move to the workbook and rename this sheet to 3Q revenue. Sheet 1 to right click on this and rename this 3Q revenue. And move to the instruction file. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is insert a pivot chart using this tag column chart type. Move the chart to a new worksheet. New worksheet name 3Q revenue chart. In this question you will have to insert a pivot chart using the stacked column chart type, then move this chart to the new worksheet named 3Q revenue chart. Insert tab and go to the recommended chart and then choose the stacked column chart. And rename the worksheet to select this chart and then move this chart to the new worksheet named 3Q revenue chart. Click on the move, go to the format tab, sorry, design tab, then go click on move chart, then move this chart to the new sheet 3Q revenue chart. Click on this and our chart are inserted to the new worksheet. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is apply the layout to Click on this design tab, then quick layout 2, apply this layout and hide all of the field button on the chart. In this part you will have to hide all the buttons. Field button, hide all, and then as the chart type title as a third quarter program revenue, and you will have to set the title of the chart is third quarter program revenue, and then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Change the chart title to third quarter. Paste this. And then insert a custom footer with the file name, layout section, and margin, then header and footer, and then the left section of this you will have to drag a file name. Click OK. Question number 7 are completed. We have now completed 7 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.